A 5.7 magnitude earthquake has struck near New Zealand's city of Christchurch.
People seem to be
unbelievable.
Quite frightened. It shook the entire building. We've got glass panes just above us there.
The epicentre was 15 kilometres east of the city at a depth of 15 kilometres. Several buildings have been evacuated in Christchurch as a precautionary measure as the force of the quake knocked cans of food from supermarket shelves. This home footage shows the quake shaking a car in a garage. A police spokesman said there were no reports of damage or major injuries, although the tremor did cause some major rocks to be dislodged into the sea. The quake hit just 8 days short of the anniversary of the February 22nd, 2011 earthquake in the same region, which resulted in nearly 200 deaths and caused billions of dollars of damage.